Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to hide Instagram following and followers list. To do this, you just need to open your Instagram account and after that, let me go to my other account, and after that you need to enter to your profile. So your profile must not be professional, your profile must be personal profile, because this method don't work with like professional profiles. So to hide this list, you need only to go and click on the three lines on the top of the screen, top right of the screen, and after that go to account privacy. And as you can see, you should activate private account. And when you activate private account, no one can see if he is not following you, of course, because your followers can always see your following and followers list. If he is not following you, he can't see that. And I will show you an example. I will go back to my other account and go here, and as you can see, even when I click, I can't see the following or the followers list. So this was the only method available to hide your followers and following list, and there is no other method that can hide the following and followers list of you. I hope that you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.